With the Apple Intelligence feature, Apple is introducing really amazing features, but these features will take time to get released for the end user. For example, Apple has promised a smart Siri, but it is going to be made available later in 2025 or maybe in early 2026. So we still have a couple of months before we can actually start using it. Meanwhile, you can replace Siri with a slightly smarter assistant, which works quite similar to the Siri. If you ask it a question, it will display the answer directly on your screen without having to tap on it and actually go on our website to find that information. For example, if I ask something to Siri, if it is related to a current event or anything like that, it will not give me direct answer. It will rather give me a page where it has a bunch of results, which looks like a search result. I want the information on the same page. So if I ask, how many holidays are there in the month of April?
Here's what I found.
Siri is giving me a few websites and I don't want this. I want the actual answer straight on my screen. So even if you use ChatGPT or any other smart AI chatbot, there are a few steps before you can actually get your answer. There is no direct access like Siri. So I found an alternative, which is Arc Search. It's a browser powered by AI and it's ad-free. There are a lot of features, but for this video, we will only focus on this actual thing, which will make you replace Siri and use it as your smart assistant. Tap on App Store and search for Arc Search and then install it. Once you install it, it looks something like this. The UI is quite amazing. This is the first page. It will ask you to set it as a default browser, but you don't have to do that. You can tap on the plus icon and then you can search something. You can use the voice search or you can type it. Go to the iPhone shortcut app, which is on your iPhone, and create a new shortcut. And then swipe down to find Arc Search. If you don't find it in the list, you can search it also using the search form that is on the top. And once you find the Arc Search, tap on it, you will get three options: Call Arc, Search, and Voice Search. Call Arc is a conversation between you and the Arc AI. Similar to ChatGPT conversation mode, all the AI chatbots have got this conversation modes. So it is like that only. Search is the regular search and the voice search is your voice search. So for this shortcut, I will use voice search. You can create voice search. I've already created it, so I will not do it again. The name of my shortcut is voice search. You can rename it whatever you want and tap on done. Now let's see what happens when you tap on this shortcut. Show me the holidays in month of April. So it will search for you on the same screen. You don't have to tap on a link to go to the browser. You get a beautiful UI where you get images as well as probably the answer you are looking for on the same page. And now that we have created our shortcut, you can assign it to the side button of your iPhone 15 or 16. I have got iPhone 12 Pro Max, so I don't have any side button. I still have got that silent button. I have to work around for that as well. You guys can use Assistive Touch. If you don't know about Assistive Touch, hang on, I am going to show you what it means and what it is capable of doing. Go to the settings of your iPhone and then go to accessibility, where you will find touch. Tap on it and you can see Assistive Touch is enabled for me. If it is disabled for you, you can enable it, and once enabled, you will be able to customize it. By the way, this is the Assistive Touch button and you can place it anywhere you want in the corners of your iPhone. If you use your phone with right hand, place it in the right hand side. If you use your phone with the left hand, place it in the left hand side and make sure that it is in the proximity of your thumb so you can easily access it. Now you can assign single tap, double tap and long press. I have assigned long press to the voice search shortcut that opens Arc Search. All you have to do is tap on this and then select whatever you want to select. There are a lot of options, and when you scroll down, there is a list of all the shortcuts created in the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. So you can assign it. So long press is assigned for voice search, and you can see when I scroll down, I have got this voice search selected here. So whenever I long press, how many days left in this month? So it's showing me how many days left in this month right on the same page. I don't have to go anywhere. Though it's a simple query. For most complex queries where Apple Siri is not able to answer you, it will rather give you a bunch of links where you will have to access it on your own. Whereas this shortcut has displayed the information on the same page. You can customize your Assistive Touch button even further. For example, you can create gestures, you can also set the opacity of this button. For example, if you set it to 100%, it is visible and it is quite annoying. So I have set it to 20% so that it is not really visible and it is still there to access. So there are other options here as well. I would suggest you to create another shortcut for the call as well. Go to the shortcuts, create a new shortcut, then select arc search and select call arc and then save it. Then come back to the assistive touch area and maybe assign this double tap to the conversational mode. There are other customizations as well. For example, single tap is open menu. In the open menu, I have set up a bunch of other buttons like Talk GPT if I have to use Chat GPT and Call Arc. So if I tap on Call Arc, how many days left in this month?
There are 7 days left in March 2025.
Again, this is very easy query to ask it, but you can also ask complex questions, and also you can continue your conversation for as long as you want, unlike in Siri, which will restrict you at some point because it will not know the information any further. So this is how you can use it on your older phones which does not have the action button. You can use Assistive Touch and then assign a shortcut to open the art search, voice search, so that you can get information on a single page instead of using Siri, which will tell you to access one of those links and get your information. So until Siri becomes smarter, you have got an alternative to use a smarter assistant on your iPhone. I hope you find this useful. If you did, you can hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care.